everyone, my name is Arturia, also known as the Coily Academic. I'm a blurred with a love for beauty. So welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing a pair of Crocs. Crocs collaborated with Smiley and had a second drop on their website about a week ago. So I picked up a pair. If you're interested in seeing what I picked out, then just keep on watching. So I have the package right here. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. So here's how it comes in the bag. As you can see, it's just a bag that says Crocs on it. Usually the Crocs as a brand does not do shoe boxes. However, if you go to like Shoe Carnival, Rack Room, stores like that, you will get boxes. But I got a bag. As you can see, a little sneak peek. I'm just gonna open it up. So here are the Crocs straight out of the package. They are called the Classic Crocs Smiley Slide, and they look like this. Just a little close-up of the gibbets. They're a bunch of smiley faces. So here's one with like a little wink, star eyes, one with a heart and an X, and two X's and their tongue out, and a Crocs gibbet. And as you can see, there's smiley faces and words all over. And then it just says Smiley World on the inside, and it says start every day with a smile. These are super duper cute. And I got them in a men's 7, women's 9. Usually my same size for Crocs apply to slides. If you've seen my Ron English Crocs collaboration video, then you will see that I also got the same size. So we're just gonna pop the hanger off. Again, the hanger just says the size. Just pop that off. And I'm just gonna try these bad boys on. So they fit really, really well. I'm gonna show a close-up of them on feet right now on the screen. But these are super duper comfortable and super duper cute. So these Crocs were $34, I believe, on the Crocs website. I will provide a link if they are still in stock. They are super duper cute. I'm in love with them. I am obsessed with these. They also had them in the clog version as well as the platform clog version. And they also had kid sizes as well. I will link the page again for you all down in the description box. But yeah, that's all I have to say. They fit true to size. They get a stamp of approval from me. Yeah, if you're interested in more videos like this, please comment down below and like this video. Comment down below what Croc videos you want to see next. I was able to cop the free easy Crocs that just came out today. I was able to cop them. So a review will also be on this channel for that as well. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!